this is very nice.
Yeah.
The best thing to add with it food.
Yeah. That you said there are only evergreens here.
It's built in 1938. So there's F47. Yeah. Hope nobody was coming or.
Yeah, no.
What was the address? By the way?
Eteläinen Hesperiankatu 10, staircase A.
Yeah, Södra Hesperiankatu.
Oh, no, of course, 22, not 10.
Ah, 22 and what's the staircase?
A.
Hey, yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. I filmed also the other one, but on the evergreen there.
Yeah, I filmed the service there.
We have to try the service one.
Yeah. Inspected by Lift Control Finland and maintained by Kony.
But I guess the floor indicator on floor 1 is not working.
Yeah. Here it's working, but probably not completely working. Yeah, no, you can take a ride for me and then I can take for you.
Oh, of course,
No,
from here.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So I'll right from here.
yeah.
But this was the second right?
Yeah. I take a picture. Unfortunately, only 2 lamps are working, but it's better than nothing. And also arrow lamps are working, so 4 in total.
The capacity is only 2 persons, so 160.
Yeah.
So it's tiny actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, only arrows and 2 floor lamps are working, but it's better than nothing.
Okay. I'll do it. You do it for me now.
Yeah.
I can also get those tickets if these servers left sometime.
Yeah.
We can also try it now.
Yeah, the door.
What?
Yeah, we can try the door. But
Yes.
Yeah.
We get inside here first.
Yeah.
No, this is the third right back to floor one.
Yeah.
I wonder if the lamp indicator has the same on each floor, like also floor one has had the same. Or
Yeah. But they don't work so well. But still, yeah.
or maybe we can do it like I take pictures and write it once again and see from floor one if it's the same or not. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
But yeah, I don't know. But I already took the pictures, but
Yeah. But I'll take pictures.
yeah.
So then I write it once again and you can watch it here.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. It's not police or quiet.
Yeah, but
I'm sorry.
that's